Art3D is a digital clay-like 3D modeling software, similar to Play-Doh, which is easy to operate. In this series of videos, we'll get to know Art3D's interface and learn to use it by creating a bare model. Note that Art3D is only available on PC. Let's start with the interface layout. Open Xmaker. Design Art3D. We can see a sphere in the center. In foundation shape, there are some base models. Click model and you add it to the work plane. It locates at the same position as the sphere, but is brighter, which means the cube is selected at the moment. When it is selected, click Delete to delete the cube. Now move on to the brush. There are 8 of them. Each has different effects and models. Click on any one, it will present settings. Radius. The range is changing according to the radius value, and the scope of effect changes accordingly. So does the strength value. Enable inverse, and brush works in reverse. If you click Symmetry, you can see a line shown on the model, which means the effect will be mapped on the other side when the brush is applied to one side. Through these adjustments, we can apply them to different modeling needs. Paint the area with masking. We'll see the area identified with a dark gray color. When we use other brushes, it can create a dark shade on the surface of the model, which will not affect the area. Subdivision. Subdivision is used to subdivide model mesh, usually for models imported. After clicking Material, several cover materials that come with the software will appear. Simply click on any materials, and the material of the selected model will change accordingly. We can also adjust the parameters according to our needs, such as transparency. The lower left corner is the view switching block. Click on different areas on the block to switch different perspectives. If you want front view, click front, or click initial on the right to return to the initial. The right side is the view adjustment area. Click plus or minus to zoom in and out of the page, or slide the mouse wheel. And press mouse wheel to move the view. Press left mouse button to rotate the view. A variety of pre-designed models are built in library. The downloaded model can be added directly to the work plane. If it is not being downloaded, click the model to download it. After downloading, click the model to add it to the work plane. Now look at the editing tools. After editing selected, there are arrows, circles, cubes, and squares shown on the model, and the colors become pink. Click on the arrows. The model can move in the X, Y, and Z axis. The circle allows the model to be scaled up and down in equal proportions. The 3 semicircles control the rotation of the model in the YZ, XZ, and XY planes. The 3 cubes can control the size and scale of the model in the X, Y, and Z directions. 3 squares control the movement of the model's position in the YZ, XZ, and XY planes. These are undo, redo, and delete. In the upper left corner, New. If there is an existing model, it will be cleared to create a new work plane. Open. You can open the model in .3DA format and edit it again. Import. Import models in .stl or .obj format for editing. Export. Export selected or all models in .stl format for 3D printing. Save. Save the model in .3D format and edit it again with R3D. Upload. Upload model to your personal account on Design in Nextmaker app. 3D printing. Connect to a printer to print the model as a physical object. Click Setting. We can select or turn on or off the features, including those shown in the figure below. This is R3D. Hope you'll become familiar with it and be ready for our next step, designing a bear. See you!